Tenedos or Bozkır'da is an island of Turkey in the northeastern part of the Aegean Sea. Administratively, the island constitutes the Bozkır'da district of Çanakkale province. With an area of 39.9 square kilometers, it is the third largest Turkish island after Imbros and Marmara. In 2011 update, the district had a population of 2,472. The main industries are tourism, wine production and fishing. The island has been famous for its grapes, wines and red poppies for centuries. As Tenedos, it is mentioned in both the Iliad and the Aeneid, in the latter as the site where the Greeks hid their fleet near the end of the Trojan War in order to trick the Trojans into believing the war was over and into taking the Trojan horse within their city walls. The island was important throughout classical antiquity despite its small size due to its strategic location at the entrance of the Dardanelles. In the following centuries, the island came under the control of a succession of regional powers, including the Achaemenid Persian Empire, the Delian League, the Empire of Alexander the Great, the Kingdom of Pergamon, the Roman Empire and its successor, the Byzantine Empire, before passing to the Republic of Venice. As a result of the War of Chioggia between Genoa and Venice, the entire population was evacuated and the town was demolished. The Ottoman Empire established control over the deserted island in 1455. During Ottoman rule, it was resettled by both Greeks and Turks. In 1807, the island was temporarily occupied by the Russians. During this invasion the town was burnt down and many Turkish residents left the island. Under Greek administration between 1912 and 1923, Tenedos was ceded according to the Treaty of Lausanne to the new Turkish Republic that emerged with the dissolution of the Ottoman Empire in 1923. The treaty called for a quasi-autonomous administration to accommodate the local Greek population and excluded the Greeks on the two islands from the wider population exchanges that took place between Greece and Turkey. Tenedos remained majority Greek till the late 1960s and early 1970s, when many Greeks emigrated because of systemic discrimination and better opportunities elsewhere. Starting with the second half of the 20th century, there has been immigration from mainland Anatolia, especially from the town of Bayramik. Name: the island is known in English as both Tenedos and Bozkır'da. Over the centuries many other names have been used. Documented ancient Greek names for the island are Kalina, Phoenician Lionessus. The official Turkish name for the island is Bozkır'da. The Turkish word boz means either a barren land or grey to brown color, and ada meaning island. The name Tenedos was derived, according to Apollodorus of Athens, from the Greek hero Tenes, who ruled the island at the time of the Trojan War and was killed by Achilles. Apollodorus writes that the island was originally known as Leocophras until Tenes landed on the island and became the ruler. The island became known as Bozkır'da when the Ottoman Empire took the island over. Tenedos remained a common name for the island along with Bozkır'da after the Ottoman conquest of the island, often with Greek populations and Turkish populations using different names for the island. Geography and climate. Tenedos is roughly triangular in shape. Its area is 39.9 square kilometers. It is the third largest Turkish island after Marmara Island and Imbros. It is surrounded by small islets, and is situated close to the entrance of the Dardanelles. It is the only rural district of Turkey without any villages, and has only one major settlement, the town center. Geological evidence suggests that the island broke away from the mainland, producing a terrain that is mainly plains in the west with hills in the northeast, and the highest point is 192 meters. The central part of the island is the most amenable to agricultural activities. There is a small pine forest in the southwestern part of the island. The westernmost part of the island has large sandy areas not suitable for agriculture. The island has a Mediterranean climate with strong northern winds. Average temperature is 14 degrees Celsius and average annual precipitation is 529 millimeters. There are a number of small streams running from north to south at the southwestern part of the island. Freshwater sources, though, are not enough for the island, so water is piped in from the mainland.